Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal license exam review. This video is about multiple choice questions, and this is question set number 12, and there is gonna be 12 questions for this video. Starting with number 1. In a chiller, heat is absorbed by the chilled water coils or loops referred to as a TXB, B evaporator, C condenser, D compressor. And correct answer is B evaporator. The purpose of subcooling in a condenser is to avoid blank, which is reaching saturated conditions of refrigerant before it reaches the expansion valve. A flushing, B solidifying, C melting, D none of the above. And the correct answer is flushing. Flushing is reaching saturated conditions. Number 3. Subcooling is used to ensure that when the refrigerant reaches the thermostatic expansion valve or TXV, it is all A atomized, B gas, C liquid, D mixed vapor. Correct answer is C liquid. Number 4. Starting current of DC motor is blank because there is no back EMF or counter EMF during starting, and its armature has very less resistance. A low, B average, C reduce, D high. Correct answer is D high. Number 5. It is the cosine of the phase angle between voltage and current waveform. A power factor, B current factor, C EMF factor, D electromagnetism. Correct answer is A power factor. Number 6. Temperature difference between ambient air and refrigerant in a condenser is typically A 10 to 15 Fahrenheit, B 20 to 30 Fahrenheit, C 40 to 50, or D none of the above. Correct answer is B 20 to 30 Fahrenheit. Number 7. At the inlet of evaporator, the refrigerant state is A vapor, B liquid, C plasma, or D a mixture of cool liquid and vapor. Correct answer is D mixture of cool liquid and vapor. Number 8. The lower the evaporator temperature, the frost formation. A thicker, B absent, C thinner, D none of the above. Correct answer is A thicker. Number 9, if the supply frequency is 60 Hertz, how much do electrons change in 1 second? A 60 times, B 180 times, C 120 times, or D none of the above. Correct answer is C 120 times. Number 10, fuse and circuit breaker are protection for A, undercurrent, B, overcurrent, C, over voltage, D, none of the above. Correct answer is B, overcurrent. Number 11, process of taking refrigerant out of a system is A, recycling, B, reclaiming, C, recovery, or D, redemption. Correct answer is C, recovery. Number 12, what is the body color of a recovery cylinder? A, green, B, gray, C, white, D, purple. Correct answer is B, gray. Okay, that's the end of this video. I hope you learned something from this. Take care and have a good one.